What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel once again. Today we'll be looking at how you can claim free USDT on Wave crypto on an exchanger, that is Mara Wallet. I don't know whether most of you have heard of it before. And if this is your first time, relax, I'm going to take you through. But before I continue, please, if you're new to this channel, please kindly support by subscribing, hit the like button, and if you have anything, let me know in the comment section below. So let's get started. Here's my available balance on Mara Wallet. I have $8 in crypto. So the sign up bonus is $2 and you get $1 per referral. $1 per referral. So I have 6 referrals. So that's $6 plus $2. That's $8. So that's why I have $8 in my account. So basically that's what Mara Wallet is all about. You just sign up with your email, then you get the $2. After you have gotten the $2, you can start referring your friends to earn more. But let's see what is this pending balance is all about. As you can see, pending balance top here. So let's see what this pending balance is all about. Pending balance is the total reward in crypto that will be launched, that will be unlocked once official Mara Wallet launches. So this $8 I got will be unlocked once they launches the Mara Wallet, so I can do withdrawal or transact with it. So you need to sign up as soon as possible and in the reward and start referring to earn more, because they'll be launching it very soon. So let me show you how you can sign up to claim the $2. I'll leave my referral link in the description below so that you can click on it to sign up, as simple as that. So let's go to Chrome and I'll show you the process. Yeah, so we are already on Chrome. When you click on the link, it will take you to their website. This is their website, the sign up website. As you can see, I'm already on their website. So you see Peter has invited you to Mara Wallet. So all you need to do is you just enter your email. So let me enter my email. I have 2 emails, so I'm just using the second email for the purpose of these tutorials. So now I'll click on sign up. So after you enter the email, you click on sign up. The sign up button here. So you click on sign. So after clicking on the sign up, it will now take you to, you are almost there. Download the app to complete your sign up. So after entering your email and clicking on the sign up, it will now take you to this page. And those using the Android device users, you click on get on Google Play. And if you're using iOS, that's Apple, you also click on the App Store. So you download it from the App Store. But for me, I'm using Android, so I just click on the get on Play Store. I already downloaded that, so you just click on open. And it has taken me to my wallet. So since I already have an account, it has taken me to my account. But you that just sign up, it will take you to the login page where you log in with the email. So when you just click on open, it will take you to it will open your account for you. Then you see your available balance in crypto. You should have $2 in the account after you click on the open. So now let's see what this Mara Wallet all about. Let's go to Google and Google about what this Mara Wallet is all about. As you can see, yeah, Mara empowers you to develop your financial literacy so you can take the greatest possible advantage of the numerous opportunities available in the digital economy. Yeah, Mara Wallet is a digital wallet. We deliver the possibilities of the new world with a focus on ease, simplicity, and education. Mara Wallet, one of our first products, is launching soon. So they'll be launching this wallet very soon. So the earlier you sign up and start referring people to earn more, the better for you. Now let's see, what does Mara Wallet do? Mara Wallet is a fast and secure multi-currency crypto wallet that gives Africans control over their cryptocurrency. So Mara Wallet is going to give Africans total control over their currencies. So guys, this is amazing. Just sign up and earn a lot of rewards for the future. Yeah, so guys, this is amazing. So don't forget to check the description below and sign up to claim your rewards. So don't forget about these values. Just forget about them. It's nothing. That is, you are 26,084. Then these are the total number of Marawale users, and this is my position. So this is my position among the total number of users of Mara Wallet. So it's increasing day by day, as you can see. Just look at my position and then the total number of referrals. So the earlier you sign up, the more referrals you get. Because if you sign up late, you are likely to get, by the time you send your referral link to a friend, he or she will tell you that he has an account with them already. So let me show you how you can also get your referral link. After you have opened the wallet and it has taken you to your account, to get your referral link, just click on this in. So when you click on link, then tell your friends and earn rewards for it. So whenever you tell a friend about Mara Wallet and they happen to sign up, you get rewarded. So when you click on in, it will take you to your referral link or the referral page. And here will be the referral code. So this is my referral code. And to get the referral link, you just click on share my referral link. So when you click on it, then this is the referral link. You click on copy. So now it has been copied to the clipboard. So in case maybe your friend is on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or any social media platform, you just go there and paste it and send it to him and ask him to sign up. He or she will sign up, then you get rewarded. He will get a $2 and you will get $1 for referring a friend. So guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends to show them how they can also sign up. And when you are sharing this video with them, don't forget to give them your own referral link so that they'll use that one instead of my own. So basically, guys, that's what Mara Wallet is all about. So just don't forget to sign up, get rewarded, and start referring, or also start referring to earn more. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be doing more on such stuffs. So don't forget to subscribe so that you'll not miss interesting videos like this. So guys, for the sake of support, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you have anything, you can let me know in the comment section below so that we can get in touch. And if it is a problem, I'll help you solve it. See you in my next video, guys.